Jesus Christ, sometimes this.
You?
This is how you delete your sick EGR. So, first take off this breather pipe scat. Oh my god, it's fucking loose. Make sure to keep your tools all nice and safe and not falling on the floor. So you get this, and you just leave it in the woods.
Nice words.
Push it down, pull the clip up, and done. Take off your OEM clips. Turn that OEM. Put this onto this. Let's wipe this out. Don't throw that in the woods, you'll need that for later. If you ever lose the clamp, find the wrong size one, just two zip ties. You fucking man. This might be different on your cars because someone actually put a clamp there. That was meant. It's a Volkswagen. Anything can happen. That's hot, man. We're squirting.
Wow.
We're squirting.
Is that supposed to happen?
Yeah.
I don't think
All
so.
over the turbo, man. I had a rash the last time.
Oh my god.
It went away after I washed it off. That was mint.
Do you need that?
Oh, I'll leave it attached. Keep your coolant. Keep your shit. I don't have money for this.
What? It's empty.
The clamp fell in.
Oh no way.
Oh, two of them. That happened before, man. Someone did that before, man. Holy
What,
shit.
you never looked in there before?
No, man.
Still leaking out here. Hello?
Oh, man. Stop the leak, guys.
Good.
How am I getting those clamps out?
Pliers. That's working water.
There's
You just
one.
put your finger in there, I guess.
Is this even the right kit? The car and ramps next time. How filthy is this thing? Oh my god, that thing's crudded up, man. Hot. Everything's done.